and widening of the road from Bridge to Harare. We have cut it into 5 sections, and each section is being constructed by a local company. That cuts down the period if with only one single company from overseas doing the construction. That same concept will be applied here. We shall have our own domestic local engineering companies doing this work. Given allocation of pieces of the line or the pipeline. This will not only speed up completion of the civil works, but equally provide employment and empowerment for contractors and communities along the construction route. As I was doing groundbreaking this morning, I asked the Minister of Lands, Agriculture, Fisheries, Water, and the Rural Settlement, and said, the pipe I saw in the trench, where has it been produced? We called in an engineer from a company producing those pipes. In the past, we used to import those water pipes, 1.5 meters diameter. But we are now producing them ourselves because we say innovation, invention.